Thank you for watching this proposed new technology solution for the workplace. My name is Lauren Krause, and this solution was created after spending my summer internship at a large company, where I encountered a few minor problems that could be improved with the help of a new technology solution app. Now moving on to the problem description. There's currently not a home-based solution for companies to utilize the general day-to-day functions or employees. There's also time wasted on forgetfulness of employees, and there's also time wasted on the non-accurate room reservations for employees. As seen in the previous examples, forgetfulness among employees, and everyone for that matter, is bound to happen from time to time. I experienced this firsthand in my internship, where I would get all the way to the office and realize that I had left my key card at home. There were also several occasions where I would search for workspace throughout the office for an uncertain amount of time. The time that is wasted by employees can ultimately take away time that could be spent focusing on more important work. These inefficiencies could have pronounced effects on the productivity of the employee, which could then impact the consumer at the end of the line. With fast-paced business environment, time is the utmost importance, and keeping employees productive is crucial for the day-to-day work. My proposed solution is an app called Workit that could be utilized by employees every day to allow them to focus on their more important tasks. Workit would be an app that employees within the corporation would use to access their key card and room reservations throughout the building. This app would utilize the emergence of technology of artificial intelligence facial recognition to simply open the app. It would also use an Internet of Things sensors that would be installed in all workspaces to report if the space is occupied or not. While these proposed solutions seem simplistic, they would not be possible without the emergence of these more advanced technologies. The current solutions that are slightly similar to the proposed Workit app are EMS software for hoteling and workspace management, and the physical key cards that are used by most employees. EMS Solutions is well established in the market and would be a primary source of competition to Workit. They specialize in workplace management and work to increase productivity for their customers. The physical key card is simply out of date, and the proposed solution will increase ease of use and accessibility for the user. This is a visual example of the way the app would work with the user. When the user opens the app, they will be prompted to enter their work ID and password. After entering the correct user information, there will be an automatic facial recognition scan for the user. This will increase security for the company so that there will only be one user permitted with the specified credentials. Passing the facial recognition scan, the user will be presented with the home screen with two options: keycard access and room listing availability. We will start by clicking the keycard access icon. When the user enters this, they will see their picture, company name, work title, and a barcode that can be scanned at the door of the building. The user will only have access to the areas of the building that they have been previously authorized to enter. After scanning, the user can click the Home button to return to the home page. Now we will enter the room listing icon. The user will be prompted to enter their preferred time and space on this page. For this example, we have chosen 9 a.m. on the second floor of the building. Next, the user will see the workspaces that are available on the floor based on the reservation and based on the sensors that have been installed. If the user would like to see the availability at that moment, they would enter the current time, although for this reservation is made in advance. For this example, we will click the green option. The next screen will summarize the reservation and ask if the user would officially like to reserve the space. The user will click the Reserve button. The final screen will display the successful workspace reservation for the user. To conclude, we will assess the possible benefits and risks of these technologies. The benefits include an increased efficiency for employees in the single platform and all of their needs on a day-to-day basis. There will also be an increased security with the facial recognition of the users and the company overall. Moving to risks, the components of the app will not impact the entirety of the user's workday, so implementation will not have a profound effect, but it's definitely something to consider. There's a possibility of user pushback and the implementation takes its effect.